Welcome to our channel. Unlock the secrets to getting approved for your VA loan with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel if you're a veteran or active service member looking to buy a home. Understanding how to get approved for a VA loan can open many doors for you. VA loans offer fantastic benefits like no down payment and competitive rates. But navigating the approval process can seem daunting at first. Let's walk through the simple step-by-step method to get your VA loan approved smoothly. First step, get your Certificate of Eligibility or COE. This document proves to lenders that you qualify for the VA loan benefit. You can apply online through the VA's eBenefits portal or ask your lender to assist with this essential paperwork. Next, check your credit score. While VA loans tend to be forgiving on credit requirements, it's still important to present a responsible financial picture. Generally, a credit score of 620 or higher will enhance your chances and secure better lending terms. After reviewing your financial standing, gather all necessary documentation, which typically includes recent pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and your COE. Having these documents organized will speed up the loan underwriting process. Third step is to choose a VA-approved lender. Experienced VA lenders understand the nuances of these loans better than conventional ones and can sometimes offer specialized advice to strengthen your application. Once you select a lender, get pre-approved. This is a preliminary evaluation where the lender reviews your credit and income to determine how much you can borrow. Pre-approval not only boosts your confidence, but shows sellers you're serious. Fourth, shop for your home. Knowing your budget helps you narrow down properties within the VA loan program. The home you select must meet specific safety and property requirements, so be sure to have your lender explain these details before making an offer. When you find the right home, your lender will start the official loan application. Then comes the VA appraisal. Unlike a home inspection, the VA appraisal ensures the property meets VA minimum property requirements and is valued appropriately. This step protects you and the VA from purchasing an overpriced or unsafe home. After appraisal approval, your lender will move to loan underwriting, where your complete file is reviewed in depth to ensure compliance with VA and lender guidelines. This may require answering additional questions or providing more documents. Be responsive and maintain good communication to keep things moving smoothly. Finally, once underwriting is complete and approved, you'll proceed to closing when you sign your paperwork and receive the keys. Your VA loan journey is complete. Remember throughout this process to stay organized, ask questions, and rely on your lender's expertise. The VA loan is a powerful homeownership tool designed to support those who served, so use it to your advantage and enjoy your new home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides and tips.